Hi girls, it's Mrs. Calhoun here. So if you're on to this portion of the email, then you have read through all of my guidelines and you are ready to get started selecting your classes for next year. So the first step in that process is to log into your student portal. So you log in and this is what it looks like. You're going to see this big, beautiful pink button here and you're going to click it. And it is going to take you into your course request form for next year. So when you go into your form, the very first step is to make sure that all of your courses look correct. So for every student, all of your required or recommended courses will already be in there listed for you. So when you go in, this is Connie Connolly's form, and Connie is going into 8th grade. So when Connie goes in, she's going to see that her language arts class is already there, her social studies class is there, her math class, her science class, her language class, her religion class, and her information technology class. So she's an 8th grader. She's going into design programming. 7th graders, you will see gaming there, okay? But this process is exactly the same for 7th or 8th graders. So if you are in 7th grade, obviously your classes here will read as the 7th grade level. Connie is an 8th grader though, so all these courses look correct for her. Now let's just say though that Connie's in French, and when she logs in here, she sees Spanish. And that's not correct. She's supposed to be in French 8 next year, not Spanish 8. So she is going to reach out to her language teacher. She's going to let he or she know what happened, and they are going to correct that problem with me. Okay? But as it is, this form looks correct for Connie. All of her classes are accurate as she expected them to be, and that is true all the way down here till PE. Okay? Then past PE, there are a number of arts electives noted. All right? Every 7th and 8th grader is enrolled in 2 arts electives. But you have to rank those electives because you might not get into your top 2 choices. Just depending on scheduling, there might be a conflict with your 2 top choices. So it's really important that you rank at least 3 choices, okay? So you're going to rank 3 and you're going to delete the rest. So we're going to start up here at the top. The very first option here is choral, right? So Connie really likes choral, but she's more of an instrumentalist. So she's going to go down here to instrumental ensemble. She plays the flute. She wants to keep doing that. She's going to make sure that this is her first choice here. She's going to rank it. See there where you can rank it? She's going to rank it right there, okay? And then her second choice is theater. She loves theater. So she's going to go down here to theater, and she's going to rank that her second choice. You see that? And then it will show her that it's been saved right there. And then she also really loves visual art. So visual art's going to be her third choice. So she's going to go down here and she's going to make that her third choice. And again, you're going to see that it's saved. So she's going to double check this and just make sure that she is happy with these choices. She definitely wants instrumental first. That is her top choice. If she doesn't get the other 2, she'll be okay, but she definitely wants instrumental. So when I go in to make her schedule, I'm going to know to prioritize instrumental because she made it her first choice. Then her second choice that she hopes to get is going to be theater, but she'll be okay if she gets visual art too. Those are her top 3. So then she's going to go in and she's going to delete the other options. She doesn't want choral ensemble. She's going to hit this remove request button. Up here, she's going to get a prompt saying, are you sure you want to do that? And she's going to say, yep, I want to do that. And it's going to go away. The other one she does not want is dance. So she's going to go over here and she's going to hit remove request. Again, she's going to get the same prompt and she's going to hit OK. So the only 3 that will remain on there are her first, second, and third choices. And I am going to use those choices to build your schedule next year.